How's it going today there, YouTube? Well, I got kind of another historical video for you guys today. I did do a clip in a video about 3.5, 4 years ago now on this umbrella here. I know the W4 is in the way, but I'll get to that in a second. This umbrella my grandfather won at a plowing match when it was in Brockville, Ontario, and I think it was 1962. Now, how he won this umbrella, you see it's International Harvester umbrella. He had to guess the weight of a current IH tractor at that time, so 1962. I'm not sure if that's like an 806 or 706 or if it's still the 560s, 460s. I don't remember right now. Anyway, my grandfather got the weight right and he won this umbrella. Now you'll see on here, he had stenciled Eagle and Heart Par up there. You see Eagle on that side too. So I was looking through some old pictures today, because I usually post like a Steam Show Sunday thing on Instagram and Facebook. You know, I post a photo of an old Steam Show from way back when, just to, you know, keep things interesting and whatnot. So I seen that umbrella on my grandfather's Eagle tractor in 1969. So kind of started thinking. I says, hey, I got an International tractor in the backyard, a little W4. And then my next point, when I bought the W4, I think I showed you guys, it had the umbrella mount mounted on the driver's side fender there. Now, so did the 1828. So my original plan was I was going to borrow the umbrella mount off the W4 and I was going to paint it green and put it back on the Heart Par, the 1828 here. And I was going to try to look around and find an old Oliver umbrella, because my grandfather had one of those too. He had on the 80 to 99 back in the day. You really need if I could find a Heart Par one, because I would go with this too, but I haven't seen too many of those in a long time. So my next option I think I'm going to do, I'm going to take Grandpa's old umbrella there, and I'm going to put this umbrella mount, I'll paint it up all nice like and whatnot, of course. I'm going to find an umbrella stand, and I'm going to put Grandpa's old umbrella on the W4, I think. So that's going to be kind of neat. And you know, a lot of my Steam Show friends are going to recognize that old umbrella. Got kind of an overcast, rainy day up here today, so I didn't do really any painting today. Since I'm out here, I might as well give you an update what's been going on. I did, however, get the inside of this wheel painted up. Not the inside portion of the rim yet, but I got the exterior of the rim done. That actually turned out better than what I did on this side. I think I got it a little bit cleaner, so that's going on. So then I also started cleaning this rim up, but like I said, it's been rainy and overcast. It's like 11 degrees outside right now, above zero, so that's very nice. We could definitely use the heat, because the heat will help dry up paint and whatnot. Is kind of hoping to get some sunshine. I can open the shop door up here and I can let the heat kind of bake this paint on a little better. Another thing I want to say too about that old umbrella, Hudson Farm Supply, if I could talk today, they're still in business and they're still around. They were at the Farmersville show there last summer and whatnot. So that's another legacy company going on. I don't know how long they've been around for, but they've been around a darn long time. But yeah, I figured with the Heart Par anyway, the 1820, since the 1828 came from pretty much Brockville, Athens anyway, that'd be a good umbrella to put on the Heart Par too. So I mean, it does fit both tractors. The story does work both ways. So I don't know, maybe I should do a poll on YouTube, or maybe I should figure that out. But I think that International umbrella is going to go on my W4 here. We'll get Gramps involved somewhere along the line here. But anyway, oh, my dad was up here today too. I needed those sediment bowls for that W4. Remember I said that? My dad brought them up for me. And, well, you guys might not like this too much, but, oh, how dare you. I know you guys are thinking, how dare you put John Deere parts in an IH tractor? But you know what? As far as sediment bowls go, they're all pretty much universal, so. Anyway, that's going to be the big scoop there. But, anyway, I'll have more for you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Thanks for watching, as always. Have a good one.